Hi, some of you already bought my aluminum bed system, and I have shown you what the function of aluminum bed system is. You want to save the space, so you can have a smaller bed insert. So after you finish your pieces, and you can put it on the shelf to save the space. So that is what this system all about. And on the flip side of this bed system, I have lots of very center circled smaller gap in between, so it's easier for you to find your center. And also, if you want to do a little bit of a division decoration, there's the numbers here, so you could find your division easily: 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So you can find it easily here. So this is the bed system all about. And I made it into two different materials. One is aluminum, the same material. And also there's an alternative, a little bit cheaper bed insert. It's made of FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic. This is very strong plastic, and they are the same size, so you could use them both either way. And put a little bit of more detail on the aluminum bed here, right? And during the break, I keep on thinking, how can I increase the value of my bed system? And I come out a couple more solutions. If people want to do, I come up with a few solutions. If people want to do even smaller size of like mugs, they can save even more space. So that this is my drawing to do my original design. So I designed, there's even a small cutout here, so it would be if you throw something that is even smaller cup, a smaller mug, and you can just use the little one instead of this. This is about 6 3/4 of the width, and this will be even smaller. So here is the my drawing, and I have manufacturer do the prototype for me. So I want to show you the prototype. Here is the adapter, so you can just simply put the adapter here. Okay, fit in right in there, so that the cutout is here, the smaller one. So it's a smaller piece. It's going to save you even more space on your very precious shelf. So this is the cutout, so it will be like this, even smaller piece. So if you have a mug, it's mug in here, a smaller cup, you can just let it see here. Of course, you can remove it from your wheelhead, but the best system all about is that you don't want to touch your piece after you're done. So you keep the form nicely, and when you trim, it will be a lot easier. That's the best system is all about. So that is that, and they fit in nicely in here. And just a little tiny slot here, so might be difficult to, because I try to limit it amount of a cutout here, because your hand is going to be in here, so you don't want the hole to be too big to interfere with your hand while you're throwing it. So just making a smaller cutout here. You can have a small wooden tool that will be easier for you to just pull it out, okay, if you need to pull it out. So that opening slot is smaller. On either direction, it's fitting nicely. You can see the color is still it's different, because this is the finished one, and it's already anodized, so the surface is much nicer and more beautiful. And this is just only my prototype, so the color isn't quite finished yet. That's why you see that the color, they are different colors. So they are in all directions, that is fit nicely. So that's increased the value of my aluminum bed system. Okay, take out. So that's one design. It's this is my prototype. So once I tried it and tested it out, and if there's no problem or no issues, and I will have my manufacturer production for me. And then there's another one. If you've seen it already, in some of my previous video, I have someone send me the so-called flexi bed. You can place it on the wheel head and put the clay there, so you have a print. Okay, you have a texture or something underneath, so you don't need to trim your foot. So this was my old design for that, and it's gonna be fitting right here. Okay, I think it's better design than that. Okay, so let me show you what this is all about here. So I have two pieces of the square insert and cut this part here cut out. So it's going to be fitting here and fitting right here. So it's the same thing that fitting right in the slot. Okay, I will call this footprint. Okay, footprint. Print your foot. Okay, footprint. And it's going to be using these two pieces of aluminum bed insert to compress it. So this will be underneath of this slot. Okay, put it right there. Okay, and then just fit this one in here. Right. So you can put your clay right here and draw. Okay, and after you're done with this, because I was thinking about how can I remove my piece. So that's why I have two pieces so that is attached together, right? So if I want to remove it, I can just remove one of the piece and then pull out this part here and take out and put it aside and do it again. Okay, so that is my solution for that. Of course, this is increasing the value of my bed system. So it's still on my prototype. This is my prototype. So I will also do a evaluation how this system is working, but just to let you know, two of them will be my next project for my bed system to increase the value of my aluminum bed system. Right, so footprint for the part that you want to put some style onto the bottom part of your foot of your pot, and the smaller bed insert. Okay, this will be my future project. So thanks for watching and happy Lunar New Year, and see you next time.